Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I got a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. And also I will show you how to connect to your outlet. So basically is the outlet. It has 6 AC outlets with 2 USB ports. It's a 5V 2.4 amps. It's the model AHR336. AHR336. It's pretty cool. Well, check it out. Okay, the box comes your instructions. As you can see, cool. So this is the product. It also comes with your screw that goes to the middle. You see, it goes into the middle. It comes out to the back. It comes with this slot. This slot you can put your cell phone. And as you can see, it has the USBs, and you have your outlets, and you have your cell phone holder. Now, take it to the room so I can connect it and show you how it works. Alright, this is the basic outlet of 2. So we're gonna take out the middle screw. You can leave the cover. So you take it off. Okay. Okay, took the screw off. So now you grab your outlet. And as you can see, it has that plastic that will go into the other hole. And the bottom will plug. Push it in. See how the light turns on. Now you'll grab your screw. That's a good thing about it because it won't fall. You screw it on. As you can see, that is how it looks. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So now your cell phone can go on top and you can charge it, as you can see. You can charge it like that, or you can plug it over here. Pretty cool. Love it. That's about it. Well, this is how it looks all done. Like and subscribe. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Thanks.